Happy Friday, guys. Welcome back. And today we are doing another Jamaican delicacy. This is sweet potato pudding, just like how my grandma used to make. So I have all my ingredients: my sweet potato, my coconut, my all-purpose flour, my sugar, my butter, and all my spices, and I'm ready to go. So first, I'm gonna start by grating the sweet potatoes. Grating is recommended as it gives the pudding a better consistency and a better taste as well. So it's recommended that you grate the sweet potato. Some people blend this, but I'm old school, so I'm gonna have this grated. Great, guys. So I went ahead also and got my coconut blended and squeezed, so I'm ready for that as well, and it looks awesome, very pure. Awesome. So guys, once we have both the coconut milk and sweet potatoes ready, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna throw 1 cup of coconut milk in a bowl, and I'm gonna add ½ pound of sugar to that as well. Once I add ½ pound of sugar to that, I'm gonna stir everything together. Then I'm gonna get 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna melt that butter down, and I'm gonna add that to the mixture as well. Right, so I melted that down, and I'm gonna add that to the mixture. Then I'm gonna stir everything together as well. Once I stir everything together, this is the point that I'm gonna add all my spices. So I'm gonna add my vanilla extract, my almond extract, my mixed spice, my nutmeg, and cinnamon, and I'm gonna stir everything together. Once you stir everything together, it should look like this, and it should taste awesome if you go ahead and do a taste test. It's looking lovely so far. So once I've reached this point where I mix all my spices and everything together, then I'm gonna add my sweet potato to the mixture, and I'm gonna stir that in as well. Once I go ahead and stir the sweet potato in, then I'm gonna add my flour. So I'm gonna add 1½ pounds of flour to this mixture. Right, and I'm gonna add it gradually as we go along. So I'm gonna gradually add it and stir it in. So it's 1½ pounds of flour to 2 pounds of sweet potato, and you're gonna stir that in until you get a little tension in the mixture. So as I said, you're just gonna continually, gradually stir that in, right, until you get that consistent look, and you're starting feeling some tension in the batter, and it looks like this. Right, once you start feeling that tension in the batter, then you know it's ready. So what you're going to do now is just to go ahead and grease your pans thoroughly and add the butter to it. Awesome. So we're gonna add our butter to our pans and get ready for baking. Great. So the pans are thoroughly greased, and we're gonna add the butter. What we're gonna do as well is that once we add the butter, we're gonna put some file papers over the mixtures. Why is you want the top to be moist? You want the top to remain moist. So that is how we do it, by using a foil. Back in the days, our foreparents used to put this on a coal, put zinc at the top, put fire at the top and fire at the bottom. So for me, because we're doing it in the oven, we add the foil so we can get that moisture. So once it is baked for 45 minutes to an hour, it should come out like this, right? So once you go ahead and you push your knife or a toothpick through the pudding and it comes out with nothing, then you know it's fully baked. So once it comes out clean, then it's fully baked and it should look like this. Guys, you're looking awesome, right? This was hard work, but it came out nicely and it's looking awesome. Look at the top, it's very moist, and that is what you want to get. You want to get that moist at the top. In the comments what you think of for Jamaican pudding. I want you to also try it for yourself and tell us how it comes out. It's looking wonderful, guys. It tastes wonderful, right? It's not hard, it's very easy to do, right? And it's very tasty. This can be eaten any time of the day, right? With some milk or chocolate tea, anything you want, guys. So I want you guys just to go ahead and tell us what you think. If there is anything that you want us to cook, also let us know in the comments. Palm up the comment, guys. This is looking awesome. Really enjoyed doing this today, guys, and as usual I appreciate the support that you've been giving us, and I just want you to guys, follow us on our Instagram page that will be in the bio. And guys, we love you and we appreciate all the love. Thanks for watching.